Welcome to TrendXTech. If you love camping but hate struggling with messy meals, dull knives, or boring food in the wild, this video is for you. Today, we're breaking down 15 must-have camping cooking gear that can completely transform your camp kitchen experience. From smart prep tools to portable washing solutions, these picks are designed to make outdoor cooking easier, cleaner, and way more enjoyable. Whether you're a weekend camper or a hardcore outdoor adventurer, you'll find gear here that actually makes a difference. And don't worry, all the product links are in the description below so you can check them out anytime. If you enjoy discovering practical, game-changing gear, like the video, subscribe to TrendXTech, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out. Gerber Knives and Compleat Cutting Board Set. The Gerber Knives and Compleat Cutting Board Set is one of those camping tools you don't realize you need, until you use it once. Imagine prepping vegetables, slicing meat, and chopping ingredients at your campsite just as smoothly as you would at home. This set includes dual-sided bamboo and polypropylene cutting boards, giving you clean prep space for different foods. What really stands out is the nesting design, where everything locks together neatly, making it safe and easy to pack. The German stainless steel chef's knife and paring knife are sharp, corrosion-resistant, and built for outdoor conditions. No loose blades, no clutter, no stress. It's perfect for campers who actually enjoy cooking real meals outdoors instead of settling for basic food. If you want a clean, organized, and professional camp kitchen setup, this is a rock-solid place to start. But flavor matters just as much as prep, so let's talk seasoning next. Gerber Knives and Compleat Cutting Board Set. The Gerber Knives and Compleat Cutting Board Set is one of those camping tools you don't realize you need, until you use it once. Imagine prepping vegetables, slicing meat, and chopping ingredients at your campsite just as smoothly as you would at home. This set includes dual-sided bamboo and polypropylene cutting boards, giving you clean prep space for different foods. What really stands out is the nesting design, where everything locks together neatly, making it safe and easy to pack. The German stainless steel chef's knife and paring knife are sharp, corrosion-resistant, and built for outdoor conditions. No loose blades, no clutter, no stress. It's perfect for campers who actually enjoy cooking real meals outdoors instead of settling for basic food. If you want a clean, organized, and professional camp kitchen setup, this is a rock-solid place to start. But flavor matters just as much as prep, so let's talk seasoning next. MONGPIENS Spice Kit. The MONGPIENS Spice Kit is proof that camping food doesn't have to be bland. Picture pulling out perfectly seasoned meals in the middle of nowhere. No bulky bottles, no mess. This kit comes with 9 reusable food-grade spice jars, neatly stored inside a durable, waterproof wax canvas bag. Each jar stays secure, so nothing spills in your backpack. The included pre-printed and blank spice labels make organizing super easy, while the silicone collapsible funnel lets you refill without wasting a single grain. It's lightweight, compact, and designed to travel anywhere, from campsites to picnics or road trips. This kit is best for campers who care about taste and want full control over their flavors on the go. Once you bring this along, basic camp meals instantly level up. Now that your food tastes great, let's cook it properly. Odoland Cooking Mess Kit. The Odoland Cooking Mess Kit is all about efficiency without sacrificing quality. Imagine pulling out a full cooking setup from your backpack and having dinner ready in minutes. This kit includes a lightweight aluminum pot and fry pan, both coated with a non-stick surface for easy cooking and cleanup. The locking, foldable handles keep everything secure while cooking and fold away for compact storage. Weighing just about 1 pound, it's ideal for backpackers and small groups of 1 to 2 people. Heat distributes evenly, so you're not burning food while camping. Everything packs into a mesh storage bag, keeping your setup clean and organized. If you want reliable cookware that doesn't slow you down, this mess kit is a must-have. But cooking outdoors also means staying hydrated, so here's the next essential. Coozment Water Storage Container. The Coozment Water Storage Container solves one of the biggest camping problems: easy access to clean water. Instead of constantly opening bottles, this container features a built-in spigot that lets you control water flow effortlessly. Made from BPA-free, food-grade PE material, it keeps your water tasting fresh and safe. The wide mouth opening makes filling and cleaning simple, and it even includes a cleaning brush. With multiple capacity options up to 5 gallons, it's perfect for camping trips, outdoor cooking, emergencies, or group outings. The dual carrying handles make it surprisingly easy to transport, even when full. This is ideal for campers who want convenience, hygiene, and reliability in one rugged container. And finally, let's clean up like pros, even outdoors. BOXIO Wash. The BOXIO Wash is basically a home sink you can take camping. Imagine washing dishes, cleaning hands, or freshening up without needing electricity or plumbing. This compact unit includes two built-in 1.3-gallon water canisters and a manual pump system, so it works anywhere. The spacious wash basin and smart shelving design make it feel surprisingly premium for such a small setup. It's lightweight, portable, and made from eco-friendly recycled plastic, which is a huge win for nature lovers. This is perfect for glampers, RV users, or anyone who values cleanliness while camping. Once you try it, going back to basic wash methods feels impossible. And that wraps up this must-have camping kitchen lineup. Links are waiting for you below. Odoland Portable. The Odoland Portable Camping Cookware Set is a lifesaver when you want to cook real meals outdoors without hauling bulky gear. Picture pulling this out after a long hike and realizing everything you need is already packed together. You get a foldable mini stove, non-stick aluminum pots, and a stainless steel cup, all nested neatly into one compact carry bag. The anti-slip, heat-resistant handles make cooking safer, especially when flames are high or conditions aren't perfect. What really makes this set special is its lightweight anodized aluminum build, which heats quickly and won't slow you down on the trail. Everything folds down small, making it ideal for backpacking, hiking, or quick camping trips. If you want a simple, budget-friendly setup that actually works, this kit delivers. And coming up next, we're talking about a heavy-duty option made for serious campfire meals. Uno Casa 1. The Uno Casa 1 Dutch oven is for campers who love slow, flavorful, fire-cooked meals. Imagine stews bubbling over hot coals or fresh bread baking at your campsite. This pot is built exactly for that. With its 6-quart capacity, it easily feeds a group, making it perfect for family or group camping trips. The pre-seasoned cast iron holds heat incredibly well, so food cooks evenly without constant monitoring. One standout feature is the dual-function lid, which doubles as a skillet, saving space and reducing extra gear. Long legs and sturdy handles let you place it directly over a fire or hang it securely. Plus, the included lid lifter and heavy-duty storage bag make handling safer and transport easier. If campfire cooking is your thing, this is a must-have. But if speed matters more, the next product turns up the heat. Odoland Pot. The Odoland Pot 2-burner camping stove is all about fast, efficient outdoor cooking. Picture boiling water or frying breakfast in minutes instead of waiting forever. With 17,000 BTU total output, this stove delivers powerful, consistent heat across both burners. The non-slip cooking surface keeps your pots stable, even on uneven ground, which is huge for outdoor setups. Despite its power, the compact, collapsible design makes it easy to pack and transport, while still fitting full-size cookware. Built from rust-resistant stainless steel, it's designed to handle repeated trips without wearing down. It's beginner-friendly, reliable, and perfect for camping, tailgating, or outdoor cooking sessions with friends. If you want control, speed, and durability in one stove, this one checks all the boxes. And next up, we're fixing one of camping's most overlooked problems: trash. Memorywuu. The Memorywuu collapsible trash can solve a problem most campers don't think about until it's too late. Trash piles up fast, and this 30-gallon capacity bin gives you plenty of space without taking over your campsite. It's made from durable cotton linen with a waterproof PE layer, so it holds up in damp outdoor conditions. The zippered lid is a game-changer, keeping odors sealed and animals out. When you're done, it folds down flat for easy storage and transport. You even get 2 bins, making it easy to separate trash and recycling. It works just as well for RV trips, backyard use, or camping with a group. Simple, practical, and surprisingly useful. This is one of those items you'll wonder how you camp without. And finally, let's finish strong with a serious upgrade for food storage. BODEGACOOLER Refrigerator. The BODEGACOOLER Refrigerator takes camping comfort to a whole new level. Imagine having real refrigeration on the road, no melting ice, no soggy food. This 79-quart dual-zone fridge lets you run one side as a freezer and the other as a fridge at the same time. With app control and a digital display, adjusting temperatures is effortless. It cools down to -4, perfect for frozen foods, while Eco and Max modes balance energy savings and fast cooling. The IPX4 waterproof build and anti-shake design keep it running smoothly on rough terrain. It supports 12/24 volt DC and 110 to 240 volts AC, making it ideal for cars, trucks, RVs, and camping setups. Quiet, powerful, and incredibly versatile, this is the ultimate solution for long trips and serious outdoor adventures. HIKEMAN Camping Portable Spice. The HIKEMAN Camping Portable Spice is a must-have for outdoor chefs who love flavor on the go. This kit comes with 9 spice containers, including 5 food-grade PE plastic bottles and 4 glass bottles, each holding 120 milliliters. The 900D Oxford cloth bag is waterproof and fully separable, making it super easy to organize and save space. Imagine grilling with friends, the smell of spices in the air, and everything you need right at your fingertips. That's exactly what this set delivers. The bag even has straps for hanging and a special pocket for detergent bottles, making cleanup simple. Lightweight, durable, and stylish in khaki, it blends fashion with functionality. Perfect for camping, BBQs, picnics, or any outdoor cooking. This spice kit ensures your meals are always delicious. Coming up next, we have a tool that takes your outdoor chopping game to the next level. GSI Outdoors. The GSI Outdoors Santoku knife set is every camper's dream for precise prep on the trail. This compact 6-piece kit includes a 4 inches paring knife, 6 inches Santoku knife, 6 inches serrated bread knife, all with protective sheaths, plus a folding cutting board, soap bottle, dishcloth, and a durable travel case. Whether you're slicing vegetables, chopping meat, or prepping bread, these stainless steel fold-tang blades with rubberized handles make it safe, comfortable, and efficient. The entire set packs into a lightweight 11.6 x 7.5 x 2 inches case, perfect for car camping, van life, or beach picnics. It's ideal for outdoor cooking enthusiasts who don't want to compromise on quality. With over 3 decades of experience, GSI Outdoors guarantees innovation and durability, ensuring your gear lasts through every adventure. Next, we're taking your outdoor kitchen up a notch with a multi-fuel camping stove that's both compact and powerful. nCamp NBU. The nCamp Kitchen To Go 5-piece bundle is a portable powerhouse for campers who love versatility. This set includes a multi-fuel compact stove, isopropane adapter, elevated bamboo cutting board, coffee maker, and carrying bag. Everything you need for outdoor cooking. Its single-burner stove supports solid fuels like wood, charcoal, and hexamine, plus liquid fuels like propane and alcohol. The collapsible design makes it compact and easy to pack, while premium stainless steel construction ensures durability against corrosion and wear. But organizing all that gear? That's where our next product shines. Topjum Camp Kitchen Organizer. The Topjum Camp Kitchen Organizer is a game-changer for keeping your camping cooking gear tidy. This multi-pocket, hanging caddy fits utensils, cookware, spices, paper towels, and more. Everything has its place. With 3 zippered compartments, removable pouches, and expandable mesh pockets, it makes meal prep stress-free. Its innovative hook system lets you hang it almost anywhere, car door, tailgate, tree branch, while buckles and loops secure the bag for stability. The paper towel holder, detachable front mesh panel, and padded shoulder strap make it both functional and portable. No more digging through random bags. Everything is organized, accessible, and ready to use. Ideal for camping, car trips, picnics, BBQs, and overlanding, this bag turns chaos into convenience. And for the final pick, we're brewing up something every camper needs, the ultimate travel espresso machine. Oudin Otem 01. The Oudin Nano Portable Electric Espresso Machine is a tiny powerhouse for coffee lovers on the move. Weighing just 670 grams, it's perfect for RVs, hiking, or office use. This espresso maker heats 1.7 ounces of water to 198 degrees Fahrenheit in just 200 seconds with 20 bar pressure, delivering smooth, rich crema like a professional machine. Its USB-C rechargeable battery supports up to 5 hotshots per charge and works with car chargers, making it perfect for camping or road trips. The 2-in-1 brewing system works with both ground coffee and NS capsules, and a one-button operation makes espresso preparation effortless. Compact, leak-proof, and travel-friendly, this machine lets you enjoy cafe-quality coffee anywhere. Whether you're starting a chilly morning hike or relaxing at the campsite, Oudon ensures every cup is perfect.